Hello world, it's me Ramesh. In this video we'll be seeing how to navigate from one activity to another activity in Android Studio with Java as the main language. I have created a new Android Studio project named Navigation. So by default when you create a new project, we will be provided with a single activity in the name of main activity. So let's create another activity to which we are going to navigate. To create a new activity, I'll be going to this package. I'll right click it and new activity will be requiring an empty activity. Let the name be main activity 2 itself. I'm not going to make any changes. Let me click finish. The new activity is being created now. It is taking some time to create. By then, let's now go to the layout file of the first activity. So here we'll be adding a button. By clicking the button, we'll be navigated to the another activity. Let me remove the default text view which is provided. I'm adding a button now. We'll be adding the constraints. Okay. Let's change the text of the button. Take me to next activity. Let's assign an ID to this button. The ID will be BTN. Okay, the ID is added now. Now we'll be moving on to the coding part. In the main activity.java file, first of all, we have to create an instance for the button. Private button BTN. Now we'll be referring to the button which we added in the layout file through its ID. BTN equal to find view by ID r.id.btn. Now we'll be setting an on-click listener to the button. The on-click listener is nothing but a function through which contains a functionality which the button is supposed to perform. We'll do that by btn dot set on-click listener. We'll pass in a new on-click listener as the parameter into this new on-click listener. So inside this public void on-click, we'll be writing the code which the button is decided to perform. So the code for navigating to another activity contains an function start activity and an intent. Start activity, inside this activity start activity function we'll be passing in a new intent. So inside this intent we'll be passing two parameters. One is the residing activity and the another one is the destination activity. In our case, the residing activity is main activity dot this, and the destination activity is main activity 2 dot class. The coding part is over. Let's move on to the layout file of the second activity. So, which is the activity main2 dot xml. So inside this layout file, we'll be adding a visual reference. So for that, we'll be adding an add text view. The same procedure, we'll be adding the constraints too. Let's give it a text. This is activity 2. Let's increase the font size. Okay, now it looks good. Let's run the app now. Running an app in Android Studio usually takes some time. Since it's the initial build, it takes a lot of time. Okay, the app is now installed. Now when we click this button, it is supposed to take us to the next activity. Let's see. Okay, it's done. Now we are taken to the second activity. So this is what navigation in Android Studio is. Hope you like this video, and I have provided the project file in the description. I mean the link of the project file in the description. Go have at it. Thank you.